Eric Blackmon Music. Sometimes it seems that there are just too many mean people on social media. But though they are often underrepresented, some of the most kind and generous people that you will ever meet are on YouTube. Recently, I got an email from one of them. Steve, an EricBlackmonGuitar YouTube guitar regular, emailed me. Hi Eric, I wanted to let you know just how much I appreciate your instructional videos. Do you accept donations? I replied, certainly. Anything that you would donate to our channel would be greatly appreciated. He said, I have a guitar that I would like to donate to you and your students as a big thank you for doing what you do. To make a long story short, I said, awesome, thanks so much, and provided my shipping address. A few days later, sure enough, this box arrived. I eagerly opened it and found this Brian May signature red special guitar and gig bag inside. I could not believe my eyes. What an amazing gift for my school, myself, my students, and for Eric Blackmon Guitar YouTube. This double cutaway guitar was made in South Korea and features a chambered body, set neck, ebony fingerboard with medium jumbo frets. It also features Grover locking tuners, a Wilkinson tremolo, and single pickup configuration. After I have had time to tweak it a little to adapt it to my playing style, you will definitely see this guitar in future Queen song tutorials here on YouTube. Again, a world of thanks to Steve Ellis for this amazing donation to Eric Blackmon Guitar YouTube. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.